Alright everybody, we're out here with the FQ31 from FQ777. This is the one they sent me. I'm just going to do a little outdoor test on it right now. Put the rate up, take off. It's a little bit of breeze. It's starting to lose the bind on it, like not very far away either. Let me pick the phone up, maybe that has something to do with it. No, that doesn't affect it at all. Well, I'm not too dip on that, that's for sure. Go take the walk of shame. Yeah, the bind, it just lost the bind right away. So I don't know what the story is with that. We turned the Wi-Fi off. And let's try flying it without the Wi-Fi signal. Because I was losing complete bind on that thing. Completely. Okay, so now it's doing the same thing. Once you get just a little high, it's losing the bind on there. I don't know. Do not know what that's about. Although it is doing a lot better now that I have the Wi-Fi turned off. But see, it's doing the same thing. It was flying good there for a minute, but does great flips. I don't know, boys. It's a mystery to me. It's a mystery, damn it. Okay? I don't know. For in the house, it wasn't bad. But as an outside deal, I don't know. I'm not liking it too much because it doesn't seem to have any range. Well, mine doesn't anyway. I don't know. There's some other reviews out there on it, but it just doesn't. It just keeps losing the bind as soon as you get a little far away. Like the range is terrible on it. soon as I get this, check the punch out speed on it. As soon as I get a little far away from it, the bind goes. So, you know, that's a problem. Because you know what's going to happen is it's going to fly away. You know, you're going to lose the bind. You're going to get too far away from you. You're going to lose the bind. And it's adios amigo, okay? Because that's what happens when these kind of things, when you lose the bind on it. So, I'm not recommending buying this to fly outdoors. Indoors, it was great. You know, not one problem. Inside, in the house, a nice little in-the-house flyer, or maybe even in the backyard, okay? Like a little backyard type flyer. But as far as coming out to a big park like this and going way out there, I wouldn't recommend it. The battery life seems good though. You know, that's all I'm doing now is I'm just killing the battery. Yeah, I would say 60 feet, probably tops on the range. Maybe 50 feet high. So like I said, for the backyard, probably be okay. But for being in a park like this, that's not happening. Because it's going to lose the bind and it's going to fly away on you. Mark my words. Okay? But it does fly great in close. I mean, it handles great in close. In close, no problem. It's very nimble. Does real good flips. And it crashes good too. That was in that auto flip mode. It went into the, you know, double flip and I didn't have it up high enough. So that's how that worked out. So no big deal. Yeah, if you just hit the flip button one time real quick, it'll just do the one flip. But if you hold the flip button in, it'll do the multiple flips. Super flips, as they call them, as LOA calls them. Super flips. So yeah, it's okay. In close, it's fine. Get too far away, adios amigo. Okay, so just so you know that. The flight time seems like it's going to be good too, because the battery's still going strong, so. The battery just died. Okay, that's it. I'll put the flight time in the video. For indoors and for the backyard, it's fine. For out here, no. It's just an indoor backyard flyer. That's it. Period. End of story. There's the battery. It's a 3.7350 20C. So that held up pretty good. So that was a plus. All right, boys. There you go. The FQ31 from FQ777. Thanks to them guys for sending that out to me. I appreciate it. It's a great indoor quad, like I said, but outside, not so much. All right, guys. Have a nice day.